Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle brings the RIPS Summer Internship Program. This is the fully funded research internship program for international students. This international internship is in USA and it is an excellent chance for international students who are looking forward to pursue their careers in mathematics, computer sciences, and relevant fields abroad. It is an opportunity to engage with teams on real-life projects, gain hands-on experience, and learn new techniques. Under the mentorship of academic supervisors and industrial mentors, students get to carry out research and analyze the research problem amidst the tiring times during pandemic. Such programs provide a platform for the outstanding and talented individuals who want to contribute to the development of the world. RIPS Summer Internship Program, being fully funded, is a cherry on top, as financial restraints should not stop brilliant minds from excelling. University of California, Los Angeles has organized this research internship for international students. The main aim of the RIPS Summer Internship Program is to pursue a stage for the researchers of this generation. It is designed to showcase positive revolutions brought forward by the researchers of Generation Z and to build network cohesion and collaboration amongst the researchers. This fully funded internship program allows the international interns to participate in various academic, research, and project-based activities to induce working skills and new techniques in the student. The eligibility criteria to apply for the RIPS Summer Internship in the USA. All international students can apply for the RIPS Summer Internship Program. The minimum age requirement is 18 years. Applicants must be enrolled in an undergraduate program or must be recent graduate. The benefits of the Summer Internship Program: a stipend of $3,800, housing accommodation facilities will be provided at campus, meal expenses will be covered, traveling allowances are provided, visa sponsorship, students will have the opportunities to visit sites, they will get support for future traveling to selected conferences, and a round-trip ticket to Los Angeles. Other details about the program: students from the following fields can apply for this program: mathematics, statistics, data and computing, computer sciences, data analysis, numerical computation, science and technology. The program duration is 9 weeks and program dates are 21st June 2022 to 19th August 2022. To apply for the RIPS Summer Internship Program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link you will be redirected to this page. After reading all the details about the program, scroll down towards the application process section. The application process is online. Applicants can apply through the link provided below. First of all, make an account and log in. Applicants have to fill the standard cover sheet and provide 2 reference letters. Once the applicants click on the submit button, they will be directed to the RIPS application form. Upload all the required documents on time, fill the form cautiously, and fill in all the required details. Applicants will get a notification after the successful completion of the RIPS Summer Internship Program form. To start your application process, click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the student research programs. You can see the overview about the RIPS Summer Internship Program. You can download the program flyer PDF. All the required details are also mentioned on the PDF. Details about the internship program, projects that you will be working on, and the sponsors. For further queries, you can check the FAQs section, and mostly all the frequently asked questions are answered on this page. To start your application, click on Apply. The application deadline is February 14, 2022. To start your application, click on this link. Click on Apply, enter your email address and a password, and then click on Login. If you are a new user, tick this box as well. This is my first login. Please create an account for me. A login token will be emailed to you on the email that you provided on the registration page. Visit your email and enter the login token here and then click on Submit. You have to fill your cover sheet. You have to add in your last name, your first name, your complete mailing address, your current country of residence, Are you eligible for a program that require US citizenship or US permanent residency? Select yes or no. Details about your first reference, name, email and affiliation, and details about your second reference, email, name and affiliation, and then click on submit. Additional questions asked by the program institution. Please select the category that best describes your current position or status. Select from the drop-down list. Select your gender, your race. More questions for this program. Please check the box of the program you would like to be considered for, Los Angeles or the Singapore program, your education, academic background and research interests, your computing skills, US visa status, your resume transcript, optional information, and then click on apply. After filling the application form, your application will be submitted. But for the final submission, you have to submit the 2 reference letters. Those are to be submitted online by your reference writers, 1 resume, and a copy of your transcript. These additional items should be submitted as requested in the program advertisement. Please review your application right now to make sure everything is correct. You can click on the status link above to view or update all your applications. Use the portfolio link to update your standard cover sheet info, update submitted files, check and update references, or to upload more files needed for your application. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.